This video will show you how to replace the digital display in your Champion 6500 watt inverter. Always let the engine fully cool, remove the side panel, and disconnect the spark plug cap before working on your unit. Step 1. Use a Phillips head to remove the 6 screws holding on the power panel and pull back the power panel to access the backside of the digital display. Step 2. Disconnect the wire connectors, and if your digital display is glued in place, use a small blade to scrape off any glue on all sides. Then depress the side clips to remove the display through the front of the power panel. Step 3. Insert the new display in the correct orientation through the front of the panel until it snaps into place. Reconnect the wire connectors, set the power panel back in place, and replace and tighten the 6 screws around the sides. Lastly, reconnect the spark plug cap and replace the side access panel. Your digital display replacement is complete. Always follow the safety guidelines in your operator's manual, and for more help guides, visit the Champion Help Center at help.championpowerequipment.com.